Hello students, in this discussion we should look into biogas plants. We have seen the fixed dome, we shall look at the floating drum biogas plant. This is also known as KVIC model, that is Khadi and Village Industries Corporation model or Indian model of biogas plant. So you can see the biogas plant here. In the center you have got that biogas drum which floats, so it's not fixed, it can move up and down. As the gas is filled, it goes up. When the gas is used, it comes down. In the left you can see the mixing tank, left hand top side. The mixing tank is there where you mix the cattle dung and water slurry, and then you have got a pipe which connects to the inlet chamber, and again this is mounted to the ground level itself. Only the slurry mixing tank as well as overflow tank are above the ground level, otherwise the entire equipment is below the ground level. You have got the inlet chamber to the left, outlet chamber to the right, and the dung and water mixture enters the inlet chamber, which is also you call the digester now here. And in the digester the gas is produced by the microbial action, that is action of the bacteria, and the gas is collected in the drum on the tops, that is a steel drum actually. And to take out the gas you have got a outlet pipe with a wall, and in the center of the digester you have got a partition wall, so that after the digestion that goes to the from inlet chamber to the outlet chamber, and because of the gas pressure the outlet chamber, the spent slurry is sent out to the overflow tank outside. So let us look at the construction aspect. It has got a mixing tank above the ground level, digester tank deep underground. It's like a well-like structure, and divided into two chambers, the inlet as well as outlet chambers, and two cement pipes. One is to connect the inlet pipe, that is a slurry to the inlet chamber, and second the outlet pipe which is connecting the overflow tank to the spent slurry. And a gas holder is there, that is a inverted steel drum resting over the digester. So you may ask that gas may leak. You may have one doubt that because of this. Please understand there is a water seal. The edges of the drum, they are resting in a U-type channel. Okay? And in that U channel there is water. So gas will not leak out. Okay? That should be understood. Then you have got an overflow tank. This is known as KVIC model, Khadi Village Industries Commission, or floating drum model, which consists of a deep, well-shaped underground digester connected by inlet and outlet pipes. A mild steel gas storage drum inverted over the slurry goes up and down around a guide pipe corresponding to the accumulation and withdrawal of pipe gas. So in the center you have got a guide pipe, because the drum may wobble. To guide that, there is a center pipe is there which guides the vertical movement of the drum. The gas fills, the drum goes up. We use the gas, the drum keeps coming down. You can make out from a distance only. So again the working is same like a fixed dome only. The prepared slurry is fed to the inlet chamber of the digester. The plant is unused for initial 2 months. The slurry is given, and then what happens? The fermentation takes place of the biomass in the presence of water. Here only same thing, in the presence of water, in the absence of air, which produces biogas in the digester. Biogas being lighter rises up and starts collecting in the gas holder. The gas holder now starts moving up. And the gas holder cannot rise beyond a certain level, and then the more gas starts collecting and the pressure begins to be exerted on the slurry. So what happens? Because of this pressure of the gas, the spent slurry is now forced into the outlet chamber from the top of the inlet chamber. When the outlet chamber gets filled with the spent slurry, the excess is forced out through the outlet pipe to the overflow tank. This is used as a manure. the gas wall of the gas outlet is used to supply the biogas. Once the production of biogas begins, the continuous supply of gas can be ensured by regular removal of the spent slurry and introduction of the fresh slurry. So every day, like we have food now, we have food, we excrete. So this system, likewise, similarly, this you keep on adding this fresh slurry and take out the spent slurry, and the gas is getting produced. So only the disadvantage is slightly expensive than a fixed dome type, and a steel drum is prone to rust and it requires maintenance. Okay, so this was about fixed dome, floating dome biogas plant. Very repeatedly asked questions, either on the floating gas holder type biogas plant or fixed dome type biogas plant.